Here, back with a video. We are out here trying to get some shit done on the LS400. We got new equipment, new GoPros, so video should be a lot better. We out here doing great, the most we can, and I appreciate all of y'all. So if y'all tune in and support by just watching, subscribing, and liking. We got a fender rolling kit. Shit. Let's put this together, okay. For the boys calling the depot, they hooked it up with some stickers. Whoever, they hook it up with some stickers. But this boy got some Mega Racing RCAs, the Dayton ones, spacers. This is something I want to do today. If I can get this today and the fenders, wire harness, tuck, that's fine. I can come tomorrow and finish everything else. A little lanyard as well. So you go and you put this bolt through here, and pretty much stop. Good. Go. Keep going. Go forward. Stop. Stop. Damn. Are you? No, you're fine. Don't worry. Damn. Yeah, shout out to Simply Mod 85. I'll link the video down below. I linked this too, the link what I got this from on Amazon. It was only like $30. So that's why I got it. We should see like if it even worth something. But yeah, I gotta jack the car up, and I want to get my wire tuck done. So the first thing I gotta do is try to get these fenders off. Let's see what we get done today. And sorry, this is my first time using GoPros, and I might look a little goofy right now with a headset and this and everything, but bear with me. I'm trying to give you guys some content and something to watch. So yeah, bro, let's put this shit in the air, shall we? Okay, first I gotta tuck the blinky. We're gonna do this right here. It's hard to see, but the wire harness is right here. I'm gonna take this fender liner off, and then I'm trying to take this fender off. I'm not gonna show you guys how to take a fender off. I'm just gonna update you guys. Trying to save some battery on the GoPros. I gotta figure this out right here. It's all dirty and shit, man. I believe I had to take those if I want to take the fender off. Then I gotta, this is before on the right side. Also, I don't know if this is like an air pump. Cutting the tabs on the fender, and then we'll see how this side looks on the wire. Gotta be better organized. It's not even my garage. I'm gonna start taking out the fender. Figure if I do one side, I can do the other side at the same time. I'm not doing this to show you. I'm doing this because I need to do it. But I'd rather throw some content on me. So yeah, let's get this fenders done, and I'll show you guys after. Alright guys, I'm back after like 30 minutes. Got the fender out. I'm gonna see what most people like the cut right here, and then I gotta figure out where cut next. But I gotta move all these wires out. Over tape? Yes. Alright guys, I just shave it. Let's see. I'll show you guys later how I look. Yeah, so right now I'm taking the bolts off right here. I know y'all won't see much, but I'm gonna put the Mega Racing arms, the RCAs on, and yep, it's gonna be quick, simple. We got the this fender wire tuck. I put the rolling center adjustment arms. I'll show you this. If I can get this light on.
Oh, you're still out here working anyway.
What's going on, guys? It's second day here, back in the shed. A little later than usual, but we probably gonna have a full day. Got the heat gun, good old Harbor Freight. Got some couple adhesive for the trims and stuff, some zip ties and brush. I can brush the coilovers and possibly lower later on. But yeah, we gotta do the fender, finish the right side. I don't think I got much to do on that side other than that. And after that, we should put the fender back on, mock everything up the way I want it to be, and then we should roll the front fenders. I do gotta do the engine and spacer stuff today, so that's something I should focus on maybe after I do the right side fender. Stay tuned, and I'll come back with some more updates. Okay. Took a little break, and we went to take the boat out to the repair shop. As you can see, repair shops. We got Grandpa over there. We're gonna see him. But yeah, we took the boat out, and yeah, I got some stuff done. I'll show you when I come back, and we should be almost done. I gotta just pull the fenders and put the car back together, and then do the back.
You might be asking you, why am I just 5'4" and everything, not showing you how to roll some fenders? Well, you know, when I thought I was doing really good teaching my grandpa-in-law how to roll some fenders, I thought that actually that's the moment that everything just went bad. And from the beginning of this video, when my girl hit the shed with my car, everything just went bad. You'll see the fenders, how bad they come out. And yeah, don't make fun of me. It's my first time trying it, and you should definitely pay a professional. Don't do it yourself if you don't know how to do it.
All right, we got the bacon fenders. You feel me? I would say, they're bad, pretty bad, but it's pretty much like no gap. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's bad, horrible. Don't judge me. I got everything put back together. About to lower it down and then go to a car wash because this car is filthy and muddy. So we should be able to take it to the car wash. Didn't film much because it's muddy and we're trying to get this done like ASAP. And I'm like covered in like completely mud. But I have an idea. I'm not driving like this. So yeah, probably go to the car wash. I'll probably drive us there. And yeah, thank you, enjoying, and stay tuned. We're about to clean up the whip real quick, and I'm just cleaning up and stuff.